Welcome. Today we're going to be looking at WAEC 2019 physics past question number 15. Which of the following graphs of change Q against potential difference V across capacitor is correct? A, we have this sketch. B, we have this sketch. C, we have this, and D, we have this. So the graph of Q, which is the quantity of charge against the potential difference, is supposed to be a direct proportional graph. So we are supposed to have Q varying directly as V, because the more the charge, the more the potential difference. So there is supposed to be a direct proportionality between Q and V. And in mathematics, when there is direct proportionality, we have this, because as Q is increasing, V is also increasing. So let's say we have Q as 1 here. V we are going to have as 1 if you trace it. And we have Q as 2 here. V we are going to have as 2. So this is what we call direct proportionality. If it was Q inversely proportional to V, we are supposed to have a graph of this nature, because as this one is increasing, let's say at 10, this other one is going to be at 1. So the right option from what we have here is B. This is direct proportionality. This is inverse proportionality. This is remaining constant. And this is not a straight line relationship. So with that, B is the answer to our question. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and God bless you.